A complex neural network model represents the intricate connections within the brain. Hormonal changes during menopause subtly alter the activity and connectivity within this neural network. Specific areas within the network, affecting mood regulation and sleep patterns, exhibit noticeable changes. Thermometers in a surreal landscape symbolize the experience of hot flashes. The environment transitions from cool blues to fiery reds, visually representing the intensity of hot flashes. Dramatic rises and falls of thermometer levels illustrate the fluctuating nature of this symptom. The vast, empty desert under a starlit sky symbolizes the isolation often experienced during sleepless nights. Menopausal insomnia can lead to feelings of restlessness and unease. The expansive desert environment mirrors the sense of unending wakefulness. Rapid mood changes are visually represented through shifting colors. Emotional volatility is depicted as colors clash and merge. The emotional spectrum reflects the complex mood fluctuations experienced during menopause. Hormonal imbalance is visually represented by a scale slowly tipping to one side. Fluctuating levels of estrogen and progesterone are key indicators of hormonal imbalance. Hormonal fluctuations can lead to a variety of physiological symptoms. Hormone Replacement Therapy, HRT, aims to restore hormonal balance within the body. HRT can alleviate symptoms associated with hormonal imbalances. Potential benefits and risks of HRT should be carefully considered. Phytoestrogens are naturally occurring plant compounds that can mimic or modulate the effects of estrogen in the body. Soy plants are a significant source of phytoestrogens, containing compounds like isoflavones. Flaxseed is another plant rich in phytoestrogens, particularly lignans, which are converted by gut bacteria into estrogen-like compounds. Non-hormonal medications can alleviate specific symptoms such as mood swings. Antidepressants work by modulating neurotransmitter levels in the brain, stabilizing mood. Sleep aids can address insomnia by promoting relaxation and regulating sleep cycles. Regular exercise, such as yoga, can be an effective method for managing stress during menopause. Exercise contributes to improved overall well-being by promoting hormonal balance and reducing menopausal symptoms. Consistent physical activity supports mental and emotional health, providing a sense of control and empowerment during this transitional phase. A balanced meal incorporates foods rich in calcium, vitamin D, and other essential nutrients. These nutrients are vital for maintaining bone health and sustaining optimal energy levels. Time-lapse preparation visually demonstrates the integration of these nutrient-rich foods into a complete meal. Meditation techniques can be visually represented through calming visual effects. Deep breathing exercises are symbolized by rhythmic light patterns and expanding waveforms. Combining visual elements enhances the sense of relaxation and mental clarity. Vaginal dryness is characterized by a reduction in natural lubrication. Decreased estrogen levels are a primary cause of reduced vaginal lubrication. Reduced estrogen leads to decreased blood flow and thinning of the vaginal tissues, causing dryness. Vaginal dryness can be alleviated through the use of specifically designed lubricants. Moisturizers provide longer-lasting relief from vaginal dryness compared to lubricants. These products improve comfort and overall well-being by addressing the symptoms of vaginal dryness. Self-care rituals involve dedicating time to activities that promote relaxation and well-being. Engaging in activities like taking a warm bath can significantly reduce stress and promote mental clarity. Reading a book is another effective self-care practice, offering a mental escape and fostering relaxation. A sunrise over a mountain range symbolizes a new beginning. This new beginning represents the potential for a fulfilling life. The sunrise metaphorically represents life during and after menopause. Community support networks provide essential shared experiences and resources during menopause. Interconnected support nodes symbolize the strength and resilience found in shared experiences. Visualizing community support highlights the importance of shared experiences during menopause. Seeking professional medical advice is a crucial step towards maintaining optimal health. Personalized treatment plans are essential for addressing individual health needs effectively. Effective medical consultations involve a thorough assessment and tailored recommendations. Information transforms into strength, symbolizing the power of knowledge. Knowledge empowers confidence in managing menopause. Visualizing information flow represents the process of gaining understanding and control. Engaging in regular physical activity, such as hiking, promotes cardiovascular health and overall well-being. Swimming is an excellent low-impact exercise that strengthens muscles and improves endurance. Dancing combines physical exertion with mental stimulation, enhancing coordination and cognitive function. A comfortable sleep environment is crucial for combating insomnia. Optimal temperature and minimal noise contribute to a restful sleep. Darkness promotes melatonin production, essential for regulating sleep cycles. The mind-body connection emphasizes the interaction between psychological and physiological processes. Mindfulness practices can positively influence physical symptoms through this connection. Holistic approaches address both mental and physical well-being to manage symptoms effectively. Menopause can lead to decreased bone density due to hormonal changes. Calcium is crucial for maintaining bone strength and density. Vitamin D aids in calcium absorption, further supporting bone health. Social connection and shared experiences provide vital support during menopause. Open communication fosters understanding and reduces feelings of isolation. Mutual support networks can improve emotional well-being and resilience during transitional phases. Positive affirmations are statements designed to reinforce a positive mindset and promote self-acceptance. Visualizing positive affirmations enhances their impact by engaging the mind's creative and emotional centers. Consistent repetition of positive affirmations can lead to improved self-esteem and a more optimistic outlook. The blooming of a flower symbolizes growth and renewal. The flower's transformation represents embracing life's transitions. This natural process mirrors the beauty inherent in all stages of life.